how to share Dropbox. So if there is a certain file that you have uploaded to Dropbox and then you would like to share them with someone, it is very simple. Now you can log into dropbox.com, or you can also open the Dropbox app right here. Once you go there, just head over to the file section where you'll be able to see all the files that you have uploaded. Now all you have to do is just tap on the three dots option here and then just tap on share. Once you tap on share, you can see link for viewing or export or copy. Recipients are sent a copy, or you can tap on the link for viewing, and once you have done that, copy the link and you can simply share the link with other people and they will be able to access this file and they'll be able to download it. This is a simple way on how you can share Dropbox. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.